Hey, morning guys, what's going on? A few of you guys probably saw my YouTube Shorts video I released yesterday. That was on Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023, where I showed you how to make the God mode. I called it the unicorn icon for Windows, which is a shortcut that gives you all the different Windows settings all in one quote unquote God mode shortcut. Um, Kind of wanted to elaborate on that. It's a really cool trick that you can share with your friends or, just implement on your computer at work or wherever, and it'll give you a nice handy shortcut to all of the different um, Windows settings. But I wanted to break down what that actually is. I'll walk through it again in case you haven't seen it. So if you go to your desktop, create a new folder, and then you're going to rename the folder, but you have to do a specific name. So we're going to copy this key name. And let's just put this on a notepad for right now so we can work with it. Okay, we won't need that part. You can put anything you want. Most people are putting God mode dot like that, but you could type anything you want in front of it as long as you have a dot and then this key in curly brackets. So let's try that. And there you see the icon changes. And now when we open this, we have this really cool God mode menu where it shows all the different settings within the Windows computer. So quick place to be able to double click an icon and access a ton of settings. Essentially what this is, guys, it's a registry entry of a class ID, and at a very high level, it's what allows you to go into control panel and search for settings. So let's say you want to type in how to change screen resolution. That'll get you there, right? Because that class ID is going to have all those different settings. So there's actually a Wikipedia entry that breaks it down a little more. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. But this just talks about that key name being a class ID in the registry. And that's essentially what gives you God mode. So yeah, feel free to read up on that in Wikipedia. There's some other really cool ones that we can create in the exact same way by creating that dot curly bracket, insert the class ID. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing some more of those. I'll make a quick tutorial or a short. Again, just want to break this down for you this morning because this video seems to be going around. Different people are creating it and sharing it on YouTube and Facebook or whatever. So I wanted to give you a little information behind the scenes on how it actually works. So I hope this was interesting for you guys. Hope you all have a great day. Until the next video, take care, guys.